Hey everyone, how is it going? Do you prefer dark mode on your PC? Today I'll show you how to enable dark mode everywhere on Windows 11 for a cleaner look and a more comfortable viewing experience, especially at night. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first open your settings and then come over into personalization and then select colors. Into the colors, you now choose your mode. As you can see, I selected the dark mode. Then that's it. Windows will instantly switch to the start menu, taskbar settings and many built-in apps to dark mode. But we are not done yet. Let's make File Explorer dark as well. Good news, if you're running a recent version of Windows 11, File Explorer will automatically switch to dark mode when you change the system setting theme. As you can see, it's set it into dark mode. Now let's enable dark mode into your web browser. If you're using Google Chrome, just simply open your Google Chrome, click on it, and as you can see, it's already selected into dark mode. But if you don't have that, you can simply click on these three dots, click on setting and click on appearance. Into the appearance, you select the mode into dark. Very simple. Now, your desktop apps, browser, and most Windows elements should be using a dark theme, and that's it. A quick and easy way to enable dark mode almost everywhere on Windows 11. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments whether you are a dark mode user or a light mode user. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.